So yeah, once you have kids, you want to start planning for their futures, and the way things cost are going up now, beating inflation and having traditional way of savings is never going to help or achieve that goals. Share market is the one that can beat up, right? I did try myself, I'll not lie, I did try. I have lost like few lakhs, and that's how I burnt up, and I understood that it requires some expertise and some knowledgeable person who is well versed of these financial things. So that's where I started doing Googles, and I heard about Fincart. It's all goal-based investing. You target what are the goals that you have. Examples like for my 2 kids, I have planned like their educations, their marriage, and then might be a car for me and a second home for me. So every month I do get a track record, how it's progressing, and then accordingly an advisor calls me up. We do have a live face-to-face chat. With that being said, I've started seeing everything in greens, and overall compounded it's gone like 15-20 plus. Now that way the corpus has been good, the results and the profits have been good. And the second thing I liked a lot was the insurance part. I do like the corpus getting generated, but with that insurance also, because end of the day you see it like you go from point A to point B, but then the path also has to be secured. That way I like that. I like these 2 parts.